Good day and welcome. My name is Alfred Kombrink, and today I want to tell you about a very awesome feature that the Nissan Magnite Essenta Plus model has. So the vehicle comes standard with a feature called 360-degree around view monitor. And what this system does when it's engaged by either being in reverse or driving into a parking spot, you can actually see a bird's eye view of your vehicle. Now these cameras are so clear that you can actually see your parking spots, your lines, and this helps you by checking if you're straight or skew, and that without pointing your head out of the window. It's a big bonus for me. So the rear also comes with guidelines, and these guidelines helps you gauge the distance between the object behind you and the vehicle itself. And it also comes with the rear PDCs, parking sensors in the back. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Let me show you how it works, the fun part. So here we are looking at the Nissan Magnite Essenta Plus model. You've got 4 cameras equipped on this vehicle. So you've got one in the front, one in the rear, and 2 on the sides. So your first camera right here at the bottom of the badge in the front. Then you've got 2 wide angle cameras on the side, on the bottom of the side view mirrors. And then you've got your last one here at the back on the bottom of the boot lid, right on top over there. Now the fun part, to show you how it works. If you start the car up. So there's 2 ways to use this system. So basically the first one, how to engage it. So the first one is when you switch the gearbox to reverse or put the manual vehicle into reverse, you'll see it will activate like that. So you've got your bird's eye view on the side over here, and then you've got your rear view because the vehicle's in reverse. The second way of using it, if you switch it to drive, so if you want to drive into a parking lot and you activate your camera button over there, it will show you your front view. So those guidelines that I was talking about on your rear view, it also has in the front view. So this basically gives you a more or less reading, so you can gauge the distance between your object in the front or in the rear. So I can show you here how accurate it is. So once you move a little bit forward, so the red is about half a meter away. So if you stop there, you're about half a meter away. Switch it to reverse, it automatically switch to rear view, and you go back again. Because the vehicle is equipped with rear park sensors, it will obviously give you a warning. It will start beeping, and the closer you get to the object in the back, it will start beeping faster as well. Now the front's not equipped with that. That's why the front has got the guidelines in the front to help you with that. And your little marker over here tells you what view you're looking at. The other thing you've got, if you press this button again over here, you'll notice you'll see your left side view. So your left side view, parallel parking, very awesome feature. Just helps you gauge the curb as well. You'll see how accurate it is. So once I turn the steering wheel, it will also turn, you can see the wheel, and on the side as well. It's a very accurate, very nice feature to have. So the vehicle with the around view monitor, so what it does when I go back to reverse, if you have a look here, even if you're in drive and you're driving into a parking spot, so the vehicle also with a around view monitor, what it does is it picks up movement around the car as well. So when this movement pick up, you'll have a look at this section over here. So if it's picked up in the front or on the back or on the sides, you'll actually have a audible warning and a visible warning over here. So you'll see there will be like a yellow box on the front side or on the back side, depending on where it's picking up the movement, which is very awesome because if someone's running past your car quickly, it will give you a warning, and then you can just check your side mirrors and just check your blind spots again. This feature is so easy to use and so enjoyable, and the best part is it's standard. You don't have to pay anything extra for it. So if you are on the market for a new vehicle and need advice, even if you are looking at the Nissan Magnite, I want you to get in contact with me. What I am going to do is I'm going to put a link down in the description below so you can contact me. Let's have a quick conversation and help you find the perfect car for you and your family. Have a blessed day further.